Can India's citizenship bill be called as discriminatory as Donald Trump's executive order on immigration? How does the India's new citizenship bill seek to change the law on illegal migrants? Does India's citizenship bill differentiate among illegal migrants based on religion? Donald Trump's executive order on immigration is very cruel step. Do you agree? GS Paper 2, Effect of Policies and Politics of Developed and Developing Countries on India's Interests, Indian Diaspora. What is the context about? US President Donald Trump's executive order that halted immigration from 7 Muslim-majority countries set on fire, a great outrage on Indian social media. The executive order suspending the country's refugee entry program for 120 days, and banning the entry of citizens from 7 primarily Muslim countries, Yemen, Syria, Libya, Somalia, Iraq, Iran and Sudan, for 90 days was passed with the apparent objective of protecting US national security. This principled stance seems to resemble the Citizenship Amendment Bill, 2016, which openly discriminates among illegal migrants on religious grounds. How does the India's new citizenship bill seek to change the law on illegal migrants? The amendment bill provides that illegal migrants belonging to the specified 6 minority communities from Afghanistan, Bangladesh or Pakistan will not be treated as illegal migrants and will, therefore, be eligible for Indian citizenship. The bill also relaxes the eligibility criteria for citizenship for persons from these 6 minority communities of the 3 neighboring countries. As of now, a person must have resided in India for 12 of the 15 years preceding the date of application, but the bill relaxes the 12-year requirement to 7 years for this particular group of individuals. Does India's citizenship bill differentiate among illegal migrants based on religion? The bill does not cover illegal migrants who are Muslim, or who belong to other minority communities such as Jews and Baha'is from Afghanistan, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. This provision will have to be evaluated against the standard of equality guaranteed to all citizens and foreigners under Article 14 of the Constitution. Article 14 only allows laws to treat groups of people differently if there is a reasonable rationale for doing so. The government has not provided any clear rationale for making illegal migrants belonging to only some minority communities eligible for citizenship. Donald Trump's executive order on immigration is very cruel step. Do you agree? Donald Trump is attempting to do demographic cleansing. Trump's executive order refusing entry to thousands of travelers who hold valid visas or residency papers is much crueler than an amendment that simply shortens the time taken for certain classes of illegal migrant to become eligible for Indian citizenship. The Trump administration, with its repeated invocation of America's past greatness, is clearly hearkening to a pre-multicultural, predominantly white nation. Can India's citizenship bill be called as discriminatory as Donald Trump's executive order on immigration? India's Citizenship Amendment Bill, on the other hand, openly discriminates against Muslim immigrants from the 3 specified countries. In doing so, it potentially violates the right to equality enshrined in Article 14 of the Constitution, one that is guaranteed to both citizens and foreigners. It is clear, therefore, that the proposed Citizenship Amendment Bill is only a step in a very well-executed plan towards the redefinition of India as a Hindu Rashtra. The impulse is of demographic cleansing, more or less in line with what Donald Trump is attempting to do. It is also notable that while Trump's move is being protested across the world, Modi's measure, driven by the same hatred and fear of Muslims, has quietly been introduced into the Lok Sabha, without much debate or outrage.